In CNC machining, the tool turret is not merely a mechanical convenience device, but also a strategic component that directly affects production efficiency, part quality, and operator safety. The tool turret can achieve automatic tool changing and precise tool calibration without manual intervention, thereby significantly reducing downtime and human errors. What components does a tool turret have? Rotating component holding multiple tool slots. Secure tools such as drills and mills or taps. Rotates the turret to align the selected tool. Locks the tool securely in place. Governs tool change commands and positioning. How does a CNC tool turret work? Firstly, rotation, indexing, and control are carried out through the CNC system. Secondly, a tool selection and positioning mechanism needs to be carried out. After the tool is selected, the tool turret will precisely align it with the workpiece. The CNC tool turret has a huge advantage in terms of processing efficiency. In conclusion, the tool turret is an important component of CNC machining, directly affecting output, safety, and part accuracy. If you need CNC machining equipment, please find us at WMT CNC.